Hello everyone. So from today onwards, we'll be starting a series of previous year IAT questions. Okay, that is IISER Aptitude Test. So we'll be solving the previous year mathematics question of this exam. In this exam, there are 15 questions from each subject. So in mathematics, there are 15 questions last year. So last 5 years, there will be 75 questions. So we'll be trying to solve each of these questions and see what are the concept used in that and explain those solutions in details, so how to approach them and whatever it is. So let us start from the 2024 paper. So this is 24 paper and this is question number 1. Okay, this is question number 1 of that. So in this question you can see that let us start by doing the first question. So they have given 3 lines. Okay, L1, they have given the equation of this line. Then they have given L2, they have given 2 points of this line, and L3 they have given another condition, that is the line is passing through 1 comma 11 and is parallel to the vector minus I plus 2j cap. Okay, so they have given 3 lines. So what they have asked for is that we have to find this number of elements in this set A. And what is this set A? That is L1 intersection L2 union L2 intersection L3 union L3 intersection L1. So what our approach will be that first of all we have to find the 3 equations of this line. Okay, so they have already given the equation of L1, so we need to find L2 and L3. So we need 2 equations for it, 2 formulas for it. We have already learned in straight line, that is 2-point formula. That 2-point formula is that y minus y1 by x minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is one formula. Okay, this is 2-point formula. Another thing is that if a line is passing through a point, for example say x1 comma y1, so and it is parallel to a vector, that is ai cap plus bj cap, then we can get the equation of this line by the using the formula, that is equation of parallel lines, that is x minus x1 by a equals to y minus y1 by b. So this is another equation. So this is another formula. Okay, so we can get this. We have to remember these 2 formulas we'll be using here. Okay, so now they have given L1 already, so let us find L2. So let us find the L2 equation. So L2 equation, they have given 2 points, so we will be applying this formula for L2. Okay, so if we apply this formula, that is y minus, what is y1? That is 1. Okay, x minus 0, so x minus x1, that is 0, equals to 101 minus 1 by 100 minus 0. Okay, so this is x2 minus x1, this is x2 minus x1. Okay, so if I apply this formula, I'll be getting if I solve this thing, I'll be getting y minus 1 equals to x by solving this thing. Y minus 1 equals to x, so y will be x plus 1. So this is the equation for what? This is the equation for L2. Similarly, if I apply this formula to L3, so now x minus x1, so x minus, what is the point? That is passing through 1 and 11, so 1 by what is the vector given? That is minus I cap, so the coefficient of I cap is minus 1, so a is minus 1 and y minus y1, so coefficient of j cap is 2 and what is the coordinate? That is 1 comma 11, so y minus 11 by 2. Okay, now if I solve this equation simultaneously, if I solve this equation, so I'll be getting minus 2x plus 13. Okay, minus 2x plus 13. So this is the equation for L3. So this is the equation for L3. Okay, I got L2 and L3. Now I have got all the equations in front of me. So now let me find the intersection point. So what is the intersection for L1 and L2? Nothing, we have to just do nothing but only we have to solve the simultaneous linear equations. Means we have to find the common solutions for these two lines. So we have to solve the equations simultaneously. That is L1 given 5x minus 2y equals to 1, and L2 they have given what I have given, L2 is y equals to x plus 1. So if I put this value in this, substitute this value, 5x minus 2x plus 1 equals to 1. So if I solve this, I'll be getting x equals to 1, and if I put the value of x in any of this equation, I'll be getting y equals to 2. So we got the intersection for point for L1 and L2, that is 1, 2. So this is the intersection point for L1 and L2. Okay, there is only one intersection point here. Okay, now for L2 and L3. Now let us do it for L2 and L3. So L2 equation is given y equals to x plus 1, and L3 is given y equals to minus 2x plus 13. Now if I put this value, I can put the value of x in any of this. So let me put the value of y in this. So that becomes minus 2x plus 3 equals to x plus 1. Means I am substituting this value in this. Okay, so by doing this I can get x equals to 4, and putting the value of x in this, I'll be getting y equals to 5. So the intersection point there for this one is 4, 5. Okay, so I got the intersection point for L2 intersection L3. Now at last we have to find the intersection point for L3 and L1. So similarly, L3 is given minus 2x plus 13, and L1 is given 5x minus 2y equals to 1. Now similarly, if I substitute this 5x, this is equals to y. Okay, this is equals to y. So if I put the value of y in this y in this thing, so it will be minus 2x plus 13 equals to 1. Now if I solve the x for this, I'll be getting 3. Okay, and the value of y I'll be getting, if I put any the value of x, this 3, in any of this, I'll be getting y equals to 7. So this intersection point from L3 and L1, it will be 3, 7. So how many intersection point we got? There are 3. Means what they have asked for, see, they have asked for L1 intersection L2, okay, union L2 intersection L3, L2 intersection L3, union L3 intersection L1. So for every one of these thing, we have got 1 point each. That is 1, 2 for this. That is 4, 5 for this, and for this we have got 3, 7. So actually, how many points are there? So there are 3 points. Okay, this is one different point. This is one different point. This is one different point. So this whole thing is a set. That is the set A. So how many elements are there in set A? That is 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 3 elements. So according to this question, the option is A.